custom skill is just an HTTP endpoint returning one exact JSON shape. Get that shape wrong and the indexer fails without obvious clues. This is for engineers pushing Azure AI Search enrichment past the built-in skills. One web API skill call ships up to 1,000 records per batch. The gotcha that bites teams is timeouts, and it's a few scenes away. 3 things today. First, when a custom skill beats the built-in cognitive skills. Second, the exact request and response contract your function must honor. Third, hosting and batching choices that quietly break at scale. That third one hides the mistake most teams ship to production. Reach for built-in skills first. Entity recognition, OCR, key phrases, and translation cover most pipelines. Go custom only when logic is truly yours. Think proprietary classification, external API lookups, or domain parsing rules. Rule of thumb: if a built-in skill fits, don't write code you must maintain. Here is the whole contract in Python. The search engine posts a values array, each with a record ID and data. You return one object per record, echoing that same record ID. Every result needs data, errors, and warnings fields. Miss the record ID mapping and enrichment silently drops. The indexer crawls your source, like blob storage. The skill set calls your function over HTTP during enrichment. Your function returns fields that merge back into the index. Store the function key in key vault, not in the skill set definition. Reference it through a connection so secrets never sit in JSON. Now the timeout trap. The search engine waits about 230 seconds per call. Consumption functions default to a much shorter execution limit. Tune batch size down so each call finishes well inside both windows. Never throw for one bad record. Return per record errors and warnings so the batch survives. Hosting is a real trade-off. Consumption plan is cheapest but suffers cold starts and short timeouts. Premium plan removes cold starts and extends execution limits. For heavy models or big dependencies, Azure Container Apps gives more control. Match the plan to your batch weight, not to habit. Decide fast, built-in first, custom only for logic you own. Honor the values contract and echo every record ID. Tune batch size and pick a plan that beats the timeout. Return errors per record so one document never sinks the run. Plans and limits change, so confirm the current Azure docs before shipping. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.